Komal Bora Shah and welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, my channel is all about tips, tricks and how to simplify a complicated recipe into a super simple one. And this is what we'll be doing in today's video, where I'll be showing you a no-bake tart recipe which is super fun to make and absolutely easy. So stay tuned till the end of the video where I'll be showing you how to make this tart recipe but in cookbook style. Let's begin. What I've done is I've taken around 2 cups of crushed digestive biscuits. You can take any form of biscuits. I've taken Parle-G for today, and make sure you don't grind it very finely, and it should be a little coarse, and I've left few large pieces of biscuits also, so I think the texture is better that way. And then in this, what we're going to do is we're going to add some butter which is melted. Okay, once we're done with this, the texture will be a little sandy, so I think this is the best one. And I've got a tart pan with a removable base, so I think it is easier. And if you don't have this, you can take the spring form cake tin that you generally get, but I think this is the best choice. If not, then go for that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this into the tart pan now. I'm just greasing this with some butter, so when you're removing it, it easily comes out. And now, like you see, I'm taking the biscuit mixture and placing it in. And now with the help of a glass or anything which has a flat surface, I'm just going to press it against and firmly set this so it forms the shape of the tin. You see how I'm doing it, guys? So once this is done, I'm going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes so it sets completely. Okay, meanwhile, I'm going to start preparing the chocolate ganache, which is going to be the filling. And for this, I've taken 1 big cup of fresh cream, which is going to be 200 ml. And I'm going to bring this to boil. And I've chopped around 200 grams of dark chocolate. And we're going to put this inside. And now we're going to wait for this to melt completely. And just like the normal ganache, guys, this is also going to be super silky in texture. And just look at the sheen, it is absolutely stunning. And our ganache is ready. After 30 minutes, the crust is completely set. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put the ganache inside this. And this is ready, guys. So now what we're going to do is we're going to again let this set for around 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. And trust me, guys, I know this is the toughest part, but this is going to be worth the wait. And my tart took around 4 to 5 hours to set completely. And look at this, guys, it looks absolutely amazing. And now what we're going to do is we're going to decorate this with some raspberries, or pick anything what you want. You can use your hazelnuts, your walnuts, anything. I like the flavor of raspberry on this, so I'm just placing them in. And just to beautify it more, I'm just going to put some mint leaves. And in the middle, I'm going to fill it up with more chocolate. And it is ready, guys. It is as simple as this, and trust me, when you have a bite, you're going to be in heaven of chocolate and with the right amount of crunchiness from that biscuit. And now I'm just removing the tin and placing it down. And look for yourself, guys. Don't go by my word. Just look at how gorgeous this looks. The crust and the chocolate filling will take this tart to another level. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. So until next time, bye!